Now we are back to part 2 of our AI image avatar that can talk and move and show expression. In part 1, I showed you how to generate your image prompts. I also shared with you the platforms I use in generating my image prompts and how to resize and remove the background of your image avatars. I also shared with you how to do some edits of your image avatars. So now this is part 2. If you've not seen the part 1 video, I'm going to be dropping the video link in the description box of this video and also somewhere above this video. So this is part 2. We're going to go to the video automation. Remember I told you we have the image prompt, image creation, and the video automation. So this is the video automation. So this is the image automation. Lola, remember our character is Lola, a black African woman in her mid-30s with a black afro with dimples, sits confidently behind a modern desk in a stylish tech studio. She looks up from her tablet, smiles stylishly, and begins speaking to the camera while subtly adjusting her headphones. One parcel lightning glows softly around her. So this is the video prompt. So I'm going to hold this down and I'm going to select the text. I'll select this text. Then I'll go to my browser. Next AI tool or software I'll be using is Hailuoai AI.video. Now I'll drop the link of that in the description box of this video, and also if you're my WhatsApp channel, you're going to see the link. You need to sign up. Once you sign up, they're going to allocate free 1,100 credits to you, and you use 30 credits per any video you generate. So once you are here, you're going to see this transform idea to image, and you're going to paste the prompts we copied from our chat GPT. So but before then, you're going to come here and you are going to make sure you select the image. So once you select the image, alternatively you can come here and click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign just like this, it's going to load this interface. So once it loads the interface, you are going to make sure that this is selected, not this and not this. This is selected. Image to video is selected. So now you're going to come here and click on this plus sign. You can see I'm using my Android device for everything I'm doing, not a laptop. And then you're going to pick the image that we created. Remember, the image we created is the image of Lola sitting behind sitting at her desk. So which is this particular one? We're going to click on this particular one. Then that's the image is going to get uploaded. It takes a couple of seconds. Then you're going to now come down here while it's uploading, and you're going to paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Remember, the prompt you are copying is a prompt for video prompts, not image prompts. Don't make the mistake of copying image prompts, copy video prompts. Then I'll paste that here, and this is it. So you make sure when you come down here, you make sure you pick this particular one. Let me scroll up so that you can see exactly what I mean. You make sure for your model, you're picking this. If you click on this option here, you're going to see 3 different options. You will see this one, you will see this one, and you're going to see this one. Make sure you are picking this second option, this one here. That is what you need. That gives your live characters a smooth illustration. Then you're going to now come here and click on create. So you need 30 credits to create, and like I said, immediately you sign up, you're going to have 1,100 credits. So while that is being created, you will see it here under your create history. It takes couples of minutes to create, doesn't take that long. So you can go ahead to create more characters, more video prompts while you're waiting for this to get created. But the more you add to the queue, the more time you're going to wait for them to get created. So let's say I want to create another character, I want to create another video prompt. I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to come here and delete this click on this delete. I'll delete that image. Then I'll click on this plus sign again here. I'll click on this plus sign and it's going to take me back to my gallery, and I'll click this one. This one is the one of Lola walking. She's walking in her office. So I'm going to go back to my chat GPT and I'm going to copy the video prompt for Lola in her office working. So let me do that right now. I've started this in my first video. My device can do a multi-window. So I'm going to select text and I'll click Lola work. You see this prompt and I'll click copy. I'll minimize this. Then I'll come down to this place here. I'll click on select all and I'll just paste the new prompt I've copied. And then I'm going to come here and make sure this is selected and make sure I'll click on this to generate. So it's creating. Now I'll do the third one and the fourth one and I'll get back to the video. Now before I do the third and the fourth one, I want to tell you that you can only add 3 videos to the queue at a time. 3 videos maximum to the queue at a time. So let me click on this create history. This create history so that you will see what is happening at the background. So you see this is being created. You can see it's showing 10 minutes and this is still free. I've not exhausted my 1,100 credits. So you can decide to still go ahead to buy more credits if you want, but I'm using, like I told you, I'll teach you how to use free tools using just your Android device or your smartphone. So these are the videos that we've created using the video prompts that we copied from ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and play each one of them. I usually go ahead to play each one of them to be sure that there is no to be sure that there is consistency and no distortion in the videos. So I am just going to go ahead to download them. So to download any of the videos, you just need to come down here. After playing it, I don't want to play it here because I've discovered that anytime I try to play it, my device recorder will just start misbehaving. So I'm just come here and I'll click on download. Make sure you click on the video to play it first before you download. I will show you what it looks like in my files. So I'm going to click on download. It always asks you, do you want to download with watermarks or without watermarks? Now you are going to choose download with watermarks. Don't worry, you see this tiny watermarks, so I'm going to remove it in the next step. So we're going to download with watermarks. If you click download without watermarks, it means you're going to have to subscribe up or get a paid version. So, and whenever you play a video and you don't like, maybe there's a little movement that is not consistent or it does not look real, you can always click on this recreate button to recreate your videos. You can also edit your prompts to recreate your videos. So I'm just going to click here to download this one here. So I'll click to download and I'll click download with watermarks and you're going to see it downloading here. It doesn't take time. So this one is downloaded. I'll click this one again to also download. So with watermarks, and this is downloaded. So I'll do the same for other videos too. This is my download tab on my device. I am now going to play the videos I just downloaded so you can see what it says. So if I click here, it's going to open like this, and now watch this. See how beautiful it is, and the watermarks that is reflecting, we are going to delete the watermarks. I'm going to eliminate the watermarks. So I'm playing the second one so that you can see what it looks like. Now look at how flawless and how beautiful the image is. So now that I've done that, we're now going to the next step, which is lip syncing. We're going to lip sync this video so that it says what we want and it will use our voice to say it. So this is an app that I'm going to use to lip sync. I'm going to use to lip sync my videos. So it has the option of turning your photos to videos. Your images will just start saying what you want them to say, or your videos you need to animate your videos to say what you want it to say. So I'm going to choose this. Now I'm going to be dropping the file of this video on my WhatsApp channel. So you need to join the WhatsApp channel to have access to this file, to this app. It is called Dream Face. It's called Dream Face, an app, and this is the pro version. You're going to be getting this pro version from me for free, and you can use it on your device or using an Android device like myself. So I'm going to click on this video lip sync. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open just like this. Now you're going to see this image here because I already dropped this one, but let me show you how to do this from scratch. Once you come here, you are probably not going to see any avatar here, so you're going to come down here and you're going to click on avatar. So once you click on avatar, you can now select from the list of the videos that you have created recently. If you've created some documents or some avatar before, you see them here. But if you just open the app from the WhatsApp channel, you're going to see that here is blank. So you now pick a video that you want. So let's pick this. This is our first video. I'm going to pick this, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on confirm. And when I confirm this, it's now going to pop up like this. Now you see that the video is playing effortlessly, and see this watermarks. Don't worry, we're going to work on that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a voice. Now to add a voice, you can decide to, if perhaps you're a female and you want to create a male character, you just need to come down here and click on voice. This is one way of doing it. And once you click on voice, you can choose any of these voices that are here. You can choose a male voice, you can choose any of these voices that are here, or you can send a pre-recorded voice. In other words, you can ask a male friend or a male family member to record a male voice for you, and then you can upload it. Once I click on this my voice, you can upload it. You just come here and click on create. But for now, I'm using a female character, a female avatar, and I'm going to be using my own voice. So you can also come down here to type. So you click on add script to continue. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come down here and click on add script to continue. Then it's going to bring me here. So once it brings me here, you can decide to type. If you decide to type, it means that it's not going to be using your original voice. It's going to be using one of their pre-recorded voices. But if you decide to import, that is, you already pre-recorded your voice and you want to upload it here so that the character uses that voice, you can click on this import. Or you can do what I'm doing, which is record. That is, you're going to record your own voice live, and then the avatar is going to say your own voice. It's going to be talking in your own voice. Now, one thing I wanted to know before we do the voice is, remember that each of this video that we downloaded from Hailuoai is 5 seconds. So whatever you want to record, or whatever file you want to send, or whatever you want to import, it must be within that 5 seconds. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on add script to continue, and then I'm going to select record just like this, and then I'm going to click on here to start. So let's get started. So once you're through, you click on the stop button, and then you're going to click here to play it. So if perhaps you didn't like what you recorded, you can always click on this delete to delete. And then once you're through, once you're satisfied, you come up here and you click on confirm. So let me play the voice so that we can hear.
Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move.
Now you're going to notice something else. You're going to notice that if you have been doing voiceover for videos, you're going to notice that there is a little pause, or at the beginning of the voiceover or the recording, there was nothing at the beginning. Then few seconds into the recording, that is when I started talking. So I'm going to edit this now, but before that, I'm going to come up here and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you're going to see that voiceover. You're going to see it here. So I'll click here to edit. So now I'm now going to play the voice so that I'll be able to remove the place that there was no recording.
Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move.
So I'll use this to select where the recording started from.
Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move. Hi, my name is... My name is Lola. I am an A. Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move.
So now I'm not going to come here. I'm satisfied with this. I'm not going to come here and click on confirm. So these places that I left here is the place that there was no recording. So my voice recording started from this place. So that's why I went to edit that. So I'll come here, I'll click on confirm, and it's confirmed. Then the next thing you need to do is just come down here and click on animate. Once you click on animate, you see come down here again, and you're going to click on animate image and just wait for it. It doesn't take time. In less than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes, it's already automatically animated. So let's wait for it.
I am an AI avatar that can talk and move. Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move. Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move.
So you can see how flawless it was talking, and it's also demonstrating just the way our video prompts asks it to do. Then you now come here and you click on save HD. If you do not save it, it will not reflect on your device. It will be reflecting in this app storage, but it's not reflecting on your device. So you need to come down here and click on save to save it. Another thing again you can do here is you can go here and edit this. If you have a lot of animated characters that you've created a video automation for, you can go there and edit the name so I don't make a mistake. Also, you can swipe like this to redo this lip syncing. If you want, you can redo it. So that is what you need to do. So I'm just going to click here to save so that it's automatically saved to my device, to my gallery. Then I'll go and do the rest for the other videos. I'll do that and I'll get back here. Now, after creating those video animations, I'm now going to go to the next step. Don't worry, we're almost at the end of these steps. I'm going to the next step now, and I'm going to my video editor. I'm using CapCut Pro. Now the CapCut I'm using, you can also get the file on my WhatsApp channel. In other words, it is the pro version you can get for free and you can use. You're not going to be paying for the pro features of the app. So on CapCut, you just need to click on new project, and then you're going to be directed to your storage on your device. And I'm going to pick all the videos that I've created. You can see this, and this. So these are the videos I've created. I'm going to pick them right now. And I'm going to click on HD, and I'm going to click on add. So now I'm going to show you some things before we remove the watermarks. Now if I play this video, if I come to the end, you will see the dream face logo here at every clip. At every end of every clip, you're going to see the dream face logo, and we don't want this. So what I'm going to do is on CapCut, just click on the first clip, go straight to where the dream face logo ends, and then you are going to click on split, just like this. You click on split and you click on delete. So what we just did is what we're doing is we're removing the watermarks at the back of each clip that is showing dream face. So I want to make sure that I didn't cut off anything from the original clip.
Are you wondering? Avatar that can talk and move. Are you wondering?
So I'll do that for the second clip too. Come to exactly where, split it, and I'm going to delete. So I'll do that for the other clips. So right now I've removed all the dream face watermarks at the end of each clip, and let me run this from the beginning to the end.
Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI avatar that can talk and move. Are you wondering how I can talk and move? Then watch to the end of this video. Creating an AI avatar and making it talk and move has become easier. With just your smartphone and no special equipment, you can create yours too. If videos like this are what you want, please like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment.
You can see that the clips are no longer having the dream face watermarks. So what you want to do again is to click on each clip like this, and you're going to come down here and you're going to swipe. You're going to swipe these options. You do all that. You are going to come here and click on volume. You see volume here. You're going to increase the volume for each clip.
My name is.
Then you see swipe. You click here to reduce the noise for each clip.
Hi, my name is.
So this way, whatever background noise is heard during your voice recording is going to be eliminated. And also, you've increased your voice recording by each clip, or for each clip by 1000%. That is how it works. Let me do it again. I go to the next clip. I go straight to volume. I increase
Are you wondering?
Then I'm still on that same clip. I'm going to reduce noise and
Are you wondering?
turn it on. I turn that on. So I'll do that for other clips. Having done that, having increased each volume for each clip and also reducing the noise on each clip, you want to make sure that the next thing you do is do not select any clip. Make sure no clip is selected. Then come down here and swipe through these editing options just like this till you get to this place that shows aspect ratio. Then you click on aspect ratio. Then you are going to come here and select. You see that it's showing original here, so you come here and select 16:9. This is because we are making this video for YouTube. So I'll click on that 16:9, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on this to save the setting. Then once that is done, we are now going to save this video like this first. We'll click on export to save this video so that we can go to the last editing app to remove this watermarks. Now if you want me to share a very detailed video on how to edit your already animated video to include things like special sounds, some stickers, some overlays on CapCut, let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to share the video with you. So if you have watched my video to this point, do me a very big favor and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share the video, leave me comments, ask questions. I will definitely respond to your questions. So I'm going to export this video now, and depending on the size of your video, it's going to take few minutes. I have successfully saved my video to my device. So because the video I'm making is very little, the clips are short, they're not so long. That's why it took me less than few minutes. If your clips are long, like you see my first of all introduction video, the clips are longer than this, you will need more time, more wait time before the video gets saved. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on done. Then once I click on done, I'm going to the next app. So the next app is Video Watermarks. It is an app on my Android device, and I also drop the file to this Video Watermarks remover on the WhatsApp channel. So I'll drop the file there so that you can always view it and you can always download it. So to remove watermarks from your animated videos for free, and this is also a pro version. So for this, I'm going to come here and click on remove watermarks, and once I click on remove watermarks, it's going to direct me to my device storage. And this is the video that we just created. I'm going to select that, and it's going to take me to their editing platform. So what we want to remove now is, once you remove this Hailuoai watermarks here. So how to do that is just click on this watermarks and use your finger to create like to crop it or to select it just like this. It's going to run a selection for all the clips. So then we are going to click on it to export. You come here and you're going to click on export. So once you click on export, it will ask you to choose your export size. Do you want to export at full HD 1080? You can do this, but I know that my CapCut, the pro version I'm using, usually allows me import at full HD. So I'm just going to select this, or let me go with this so that it makes the video clearer. And while I've done that, you will see that it's showing removing watermarks place away. This takes a couple of minutes depending on how long your video clips are. So I'll come back to show you what it is like. So it's completed right now, and then I'm just going to click on this home tab here. I need to go back to my files and show you the video without the watermark, and I'm going to show you the video that we just removed the watermarks, which is this latest one here. So this is it.
Hi, my name is Lola. I am an AI.
Now look closely here. You see that there is no watermarks here. Now this video is clean and is clear, and you can share this on YouTube. You can also share if you worked with the TikTok aspect frame or ratio frame of 9:16. You can also share it on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. Yes, this is just a step to follow.
Avatar that can talk and move. Are you wondering how I can talk and move? Then watch to the end of this video. Creating an AI avatar and making it talk and move has become easy. With just your smartphone and no special equipment, you can create your show. If videos like this are what you want, please like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment.
Can see how flawless this is. So this is just how to turn your image prompts that we did in part 1 into a video prompt and into a live video automation. So from part 1 and part 2 of this series, I've been able to share with you how to create an image avatar using a free tool and also changing it to the YouTube aspect ratio, and also creating video prompts and creating automations. I've also shared with you how to remove the watermarks from your video, how to lip sync, and how to run some edits on CapCut. Now, if I want to share this on YouTube as a video, I just need to take it back to CapCut. I'm going to do some editing, like I'll add a transition. I'll have transition between each clip. I'll add like the likes, subscribe, and share stickers or animated stickers. I also add my logo. Yes, these are some of the things I can do on CapCut after completely removing all watermarks and get my video perfect like this. So if you want me to share a video on how to do a full-time editing on CapCut, please let me know in the description, in the comment section of this video, and I'll be more than happy to share it. This, I've come to the end of part 2 of how to create an AI avatar that can talk, that can move, and that can show expression with free tools and using just your smartphone. So if these are videos you want to keep seeing, please leave me comments in the comment section, like my videos, subscribe to encourage me, and thank you so much for watching. See you in another subsequent video. Bye.